Friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today we're in the kitchen of someone else. This is not my kitchen, as you can see. If you've been following me for a while, you know that it's not. And we're going to organize this kitchen. I am starting at about 11:30, and my goal is to be done by 1:30. It's not a very large space, and it's really not that bad. I think it's just that she hasn't wrapped her mindset around putting things together and things that she doesn't need purging. So that's what we're here to do today. So I'm going to invite you in while I do this, and I hope you will enjoy and get some inspiration from it. If you're new to my channel, this is a lifestyle channel, and we do organization, cleaning, DIYs, cooking, and all things about a cozy living lifestyle. And if you have not already subscribed, please hit that button below. And once you subscribe, also hit the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. I hope you will enjoy this particular video. And if you do, give me a big thumbs up, comment, and share the video. It helps my channel immensely, doesn't cost you a dime, and it is greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated. With that said, I'm going to invite you in. Come on in. Let's get started. So friends, I'm going to take everything out of the cabinets. I'm going to wash them out. Those that are not already lined, I am also going to line them. Most of the cabinets are lined, but I am going to put shelf lining paper in the drawers. So while I do that, I'm just going to put it to music. You will see my family come in and out while I do this. Um, but that's what we're going to do, and then we'll put everything back. Like I said, it's not a whole lot. She's a minimalist for sure. And so you'll see that there's not a whole lot to put away. I think the biggest job was just straightening up her pantry. But it's going to be nice and clean, and it's going to be organized. I'm going to pop in right here to remind you guys that I hope you're enjoying this video. And if you are, please remember to leave me a big thumbs up, comment, and share the video. Also, as you can see, organizing is all about time. It takes time and making decisions. And once you get into the mindset, this is going to go here, this is going to go there, it actually goes pretty quickly. I think this is taking a little longer because it is family, and although we're working, we're also enjoying each other's company. So, yeah, I just wanted to pop in and let you know that it's not a big deal. It's just making decisions of where things go and putting things in places that work best for you. I can't set your kitchen up in a way that works best for me because then you won't be happy. So we're trying to decide what works best here for her instead of for me. And these are the changes that we're making. And I am making suggestions because something she um, didn't think about when she was putting her kitchen together when she moved into this place. Okay, so we're going to go back to the music. And again, I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope it is some incentive for you, it's some inspiration for you to jump into your kitchen if you think you have some areas that may need a little organization. Doesn't take long, and actually, it can be a lot of fun.